if you want to know more about sustainability, make sure you hit subscribe. Yeah, and I think it is very important also because if one considers indeed that about 80% of the cost sits in the operational side of running the building. It's not the design and the build itself per se. And one of the things that I've realized over the years that I've been here now, that we're working in a very, very difficult environment. It's a harsh climate to work in, for sure. Managing the asset life to whatever it was planned for before it becomes obsolete is actually it's a big challenge. It's formidable.
Definitely, yes.
So how you go about that is driving everything at the end of the day.
Actually, the asset life cycle management and the IFMA roundtable that I was mentioning, it was about the circular economy.
Yeah.
And one of the points that we have raised that FM is doing circular economy because asset life cycle is part of the circular economy.
Yeah.
So the asset life cycle management, expanding the life cycle of the assets. Think about it. A basic example: if you have a split unit and you do proper maintenance, it will live up to 25 years.
Yeah.
If you don't do maintenance, you will have to change it after 3-4 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
yeah. And you become basically at that point in time almost like a thief of your own wallet.
You think that I'm saving on the maintenance cost. I will not spend $500 for maintenance, but you will have to replace the assets after.
When you look at the market, right, and you especially then on the client side, do you believe that the building owners, the clients, have enough emphasis on that particular element of extending the asset life through maintenance in their requirements that they have?
It depends on the client. The clients that we target, the clients that we want to work with, have this understanding. This is a very important point. And people ask me, you always ask me, what's your business? Even the group management, the boards, they ask you, what's your business development strategy? Well, my business development strategy is to just not to lose any opportunity within the right segment, which is a client that have this understanding, client that understand the importance of FM, they understand the quality, understand the life cycle management.
Yeah.
So those clients are available, and mainly we're talking about government, semi-government, large corporations, large developers, like the big names that are available in the market. And also we have a lot of family business and the classical, if you wish, the landlords that are in the market since the 60s and 50s. A lot of them also establish their own FM arms and either outsourcing it or building in-house capabilities to deliver this service.
Do you think that those clients that are fitting in the right segment that you target, that they do this based on financial parameters more than a sustainability parameter, or is it a combination of the two?
The main driver is financial, but sustainability, of course, is becoming it's a very hot topic, and it is important. It is becoming very important.
Yeah.
Yes, but the main driver is financial.
Is financial.
Yes.
Now, I reckon there is not a huge difference between the mindset in terms of that sort of friction between the financial and sustainability drive between the UAE, Saudi, and Qatar. I think all of these countries are sort of like in the same mindset, at least. But do you think that asset owners understand that you can use sustainability, but more also from a process perspective, what you implement, how you implement, and how you can keep it running that way is actually ultimately giving in the long run the biggest financial gain?
Absolutely. This is happening, and this is now we can see it in most of the companies that we deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you find that clients are actually seeking innovation from FM partners? And if so, are they prepared to give you leeway?
I didn't see any client resisting technology. Either they ask for it a lot of clients also are including it in their RFPs that when you are presenting, they're doing the evaluation, they keep 10-15% for innovation, or they call it added value. What value are you going to add?
Yeah.
What makes you difference? So here where we have the luxury to present our innovative solutions.
Yeah.
So we told them that I can save your cost, or I can enhance the quality of the service. I can enhance your customer experience or your end user experience, the residents of your building, your employees, the visitors of your building. This is where it comes. Others, whenever you discuss with any client that I have this technology, they are open. They tell you, okay, come. Let's see. Show me what it will offer to me or to my client. But again, the challenge that we are facing is the support from the technology companies, and having the proof of concept, having the proof of the feasibility, local support.
Yeah.
Okay. Nobody will sign a contract with a company that headquarters is in Tokyo.
No.
You need to have a local presence.
No, I know from my own experience talking to clients also that they literally sometimes say, well, it's great. These are numbers from the US. But what does that mean to me? Because my circumstances are different and my environment is different. So
when they quantify the saving, as an example, they use the rates of the UK.
Yeah.
As an example.
Yeah.
Okay, but the utility rates are different.
Yeah,
Here it is subsidized by the government, as an example.
Yeah. Yeah. Utility rates are different.
And you get surprised that the sales manager who's traveling from Europe or from Asia to present this technology to, he doesn't know this.
No, that's correct. And I believe actually that it's completely right that the client side says, or we as an industry say, we need to have it all benchmarked here in the local market, because the circumstances are dramatically different on various parameters, because the labor costs are different as well.
The environment is different, labor cost is different, demographics is different, client profile is different, the governance is different. It's...
So do you see when you talk about the different segments that you serve as well, obviously when we're dealing with an end client eventually in the healthcare sector versus a mixed-use building or a hospitality environment, the outcomes of what FM needs to deliver, besides I would say foundational ones like energy and water conservation, all these things that I can get. Do you believe that tailoring the solutions for their specific needs gets enough attention? Because, for example, hospitality...
This is the key for a successful FM company. Yeah. You cannot treat all your clients the same way. No. Each industry, each building require different... Even if we're in the same segment, healthcare, not all the hospitals require the same level of service and the same level of attention. Not and same level of same type of technology or same workforce. The success of any FM company is about being resilient and understanding the client requirement and address it.
Yeah.
You have to read the client. You need to understand to the building. You need to talk to the building, not only the client. The building also have its own requirements.
Yeah.
If technically the profile of the visitors, the location. So yes, you have to tailor it according to the site-specific requirement. Even the SOPs. Mm-hmm. You cannot have the same SOPs for all ever. You have to do so. You have general SOPs for your company. Yeah. But during the mobilization, you have a quality team that will tailor the SOPs to be site-specific.
Yeah. Yeah, and that is obviously needed because the buildings are not of the same age. The assets are different. Indeed, the occupants are different. All of these things play a role. Do you think there should be in that, and I'm pretty sure that there is, that there is also very specific approach to the type of people that you hire, that you mobilize, and match that literally at a building level?
Absolutely, whether it is related to the technical skills or the profile of the people. It depends on the client and the end user, definitely.